Motlatsa Tona wa ditlamo tsa puso Obed Bapela o etetse diplanti di le pedi tseo di aparetsweng ke dipuopuo kwa Pretoria. Denel e ntse e sa dire dingwaga di ka nna 4, mme nngwe ya mabaka e le ka ntlha ya bonweenwee. Setlamo sa puso se se dirang dibetsa Denel se tlhageletse kwa setlhoeng tebang le karolo e se tshamekile mo magatweng a go rebolela Russia dibetsa.
The money that the National Treasurer appropriated in October last year during the medium-term budget policy statement is now beginning to give life for Denel to be the supplier of the army in South Africa and also the police on when it comes to weapons and ammunitions and also beginning to ensure therefore that capabilities of South Africa are once more intact and so that South Africans can feel safe that their country is well protected because Denel is back on its feet.
Bapela a re ga gona bopaki jwa gore dibetsa tseo di dirilweng kwa Denel di rometswe kwa Russia mme o ikuela gore go rebole bopaki fa seno e le boammaruri.
We don't know what the ambassador of United States information he has, and the president yesterday said to the nation that an inquiry will be entered into where he is going to appoint a retired judge to go and investigate the allegations. But the ambassador should have really used the diplomatic channels. When you are an ambassador in a country and something happens that you as a country are not happy with, you go to the Minister of International Relations, engages with them through the diplomatic channels, and then the minister and counter minister of United States should have then engaged on this with the Secretary of External Affairs to then begin to then find a way of really getting the truth, whether those suspicions are real or not.
Moraga dingwaga setlamo se sa dire ka ntlha magatwe a go tlhotlheletsa ditshwetso tsa mafapha puso ke lephata la poraefete ga mmogo le bonweenwee. Denel ya re isimolola go bona tsepamo. Setlamo se ikelela go aga sešwa serodumo sa yona le bokgoni.
In terms of the turnaround, and that was part of the cleanup of the company, in terms of governance, to reinstitute governance in the business, to get a strong board in place, to get a management that reports to the board with the strong oversight that is there. And then from there, we developed the turnaround plan, and that turnaround plan is part of what we are busy with. It is the basis of the turnaround plan that National Treasury recapitalized the business to assist with the production activities that we are busy with.
Denel ya re setlamo ga sena kitso ka ga magatwe a thebolo ya dibetsa.
I think it's important to also acknowledge that Denel is not the only manufacturer, and that we have not, in terms of the permits that we have not had export permits for Russia, so it would not have come through that. The Directorate of Conventional Arms Control is responsible, and they would be the ones that would know which permits were issued. And what I'm saying to you is we have not had permits issued for export to Russia.
Puso e etleditse ka matlole a balwa go diranta di le dibilione di le 4 go thusa setlamo seno go boa se dira gape.